In 2016, the agrarian nature collectives Ommekoyen and Gwolsekriete joined and formed the corporation Agrarisch Collectief Waadrâne. The motivation for this new collective was the urge to find a new way of agrarian nature and landscape management. In the coming years, the collectives carry the responsibility for making and executing agrarian nature management on a local level. With this approach, the collectives and the province expect a more efficient and effective way of agrarian nature and landscape management. It is flexible and cost-efficient. By having responsible management, we contribute to biodiversity and sustainability. Learning from experience. We have around 150 members who are all farmers with family-owned businesses. Most of them are dairy farmers, and there are some arable farmers. There are some organic farms, but most of them are conventional. Most importantly, they are all farmers with a passion for nature. Or passion. All our members are farmers. Their main goal is to earn a living with their farm in order to support their family. They all dedicate a lot of time to their animals, fields and crops. And all of them share one thing, their passion for nature, landscape and biodiversity. Our management. We manage two types of farmlands, including the normal acres and open grassland. These are open arable field habitat and open meadow habitat.